All right, this is the homework 6.6, multiple hosting through the Apache web server here. Okay, what we're going to do is that we're going to configure 3 websites by port 9999, 9998, 9997. Okay, we're going to just leave a port 80 alone. All right, now you can tell that we would like to use the htdocs as a root folder for each website. Okay, and the 998 here under the htdocs, right? Then you're gonna create the home page files under each of the folders, right? And then you start it, open the port, and then start the configuration. All right, this is a port configuration. This is make sure your HTML file no syntax error, and then you're gonna put the main index file under the directive called directory index. All right, and then we're gonna test it. You got if one browser doesn't work, you test another browser. So normally I test the 3 browser. So mainly we are going to set up document root and the directory index directives. Okay, so now this is the file. I give you information about HTTP DCOM files, and the other file is called virtual host file. There's external files. All right, now um, this is the file you are looking at. Okay, under httpd.com files, there's one section is called supplemental configuration. They are all related to external files. So you want to remove the pound sign. That's comment. Okay, and then to enable these files, http vhost.com files. Okay, so this file have 2 sections of the virtual host container. Okay, one container have 6 of the directive statements I want you to configure it. Okay, now after that we configure, then we can test it. All right, by different port. All right, and then we have to make sure those error log created too in the logs files under Apache folder. Okay, now so this is the folder. Okay, I let me stop and then restart, then pull open. All right, and then I will go to the configuration. Okay, HTTP DCOM file. I click on that, HTTP DCOM file will show up. Okay, now another file is under Apache folder. Okay, Apache folder under the configuration CONF folder and the actual EXTRA. This folder is a container of all of the external files. We are looking for HTTP vhost file. I double click, I open it. Okay, it's like that here. These are the files. Okay, now let me go through HTTP DCOM file here. This is a configuration file. I will quickly go over that. Server routes, listen, the port. Okay, another one is document routes that you know where's that. Directory index. You want to put your CST's 4709 index at the first one. Then go to the line 500, about 525 line. You want to make sure this pound sign is removed. And you go to these files. This file have 2 sections of the template file. It's a called vhost container. All right. Just copy it and then change the information in here for the port 9999 and the 999A and the 9997. Okay, and this file, important thing is that it mentioned that here the first virtual host section is the section. I created 3 sections, right? This is the first section. First section is used for all of the requests that do not match those container in a vhost block. It means that if your second one, 999A or 997, second or third, or and so on, those, if you're missing the directory index, it's missing, is going to be what? Provided by the first one. So your first one has to make sure it work. Okay, if you're missing one of the directive, then it would refer to it. Okay, after that you would save that. All right, save that, and then you should be able to run mn. All right, but this is port 80, right? So you want to do is the port localhost colon 9999, right? This is port 9999 show up over here, and then I click on 999A. It show up the other one. The other one is this is the one. I'll just drag it out. 9997. Okay, and then drag out again here. All right. So there are three websites are up, and then next one, last one will be you should be able to go to the Apache log file to see those files show up. Error log and the SS logs. Okay. For example, this 9999 SS log. There's information in here. When did you start it? When did you launch? When? Okay, that's it.